4 plastic screws right here. 1, 2, 3. Listen to me. All right, let's get the other tire off and we'll be right back. This hasn't been changed any kind of way. Yep, perfect. They are 7 millimeters. Put it right there. Squeeze that in. Oh yeah, it went back. It's cool. It came with a new clip, so it's cool. Lock it into place. That is good. Now you're gonna get some new clips to go along with this. Hook that into the channel. And those little clips on the top, just put them down. Get the 2 bracket just like that. Push it up against the rotor. Nice thin little layer. Very thin, guys. Don't go crazy with this. Then you're gonna go over here.